We've arrived.
So this is Nia Kara.
Huh. I thought it would be fancier.
Excuse me. Where's Ivor?
He went off to find Lord Maxwell and... Lord Maxwell?
Yes, I have returned.
I can't believe you deigned to speak to me. I am unworthy.
I guess she's the real deal.
She's something, all right.
Not everyone gets to road trip with a major deity. I had my doubts.
Please relax. No need for formalities. You say Ivor isn't here?
Yes, but he should have returned by now. We're worried about him.
I see. He always did have a short temper. Please, return to your work. I need to perform the ritual to resummon the four at my shrine. But it would seem my handmaid is away. Would you mind lending a hand?
What? You mean we can help you?
I'm not exactly a religious scholar.
It's nothing difficult. The village has 4 altars, each with a temporal stone.
So you want us to bring those to the shrine you mentioned?
Precisely.
Why not just ask the villagers for help?
You saw what just happened. Except for my handmaid, I don't really fraternize with the villagers. They can barely look at me, let alone hold a conversation.
Ah, the trials of godhood. Well, I guess a little physical labor won't kill us. Right, kid?
We can handle it.
Don't worry, Jude. I'll explain your predicament to the villagers after the ceremony. Please be patient for just a little longer.
Sure. Okay, let's get hunting for those temporal stones. You said they were in the village?
Yes. Gather the stones and bring them to the shrine. It lies beyond the village.
Here we go. This must be one of the temporal stones.
Correct. We need 3 more just like that.
Welcome home, Lord Maxwell.
I'm glad to see you're...
All thanks to you, Lord Maxwell.
Wow. So people really do worship Mila.
It's pretty rare to find Maxwell worshippers these days, but apparently they used to be quite common.
Faith in the spirits seems to have fallen dramatically all over the world. Although I couldn't tell that from here.
The more spirit arts progress, the more spirits are seen as simply another facet of nature.
So there used to be a bigger deal back then?
Yeah, legends say that it was the spirit Maxwell who created Riza Maxia to begin with. And the first human to follow him, Kresnik, came to be known as the Genesis Sage.
Correct. And the people of this village are Kresnik's descendants.
Yeah, you get crazy origin stories like that in all these rustic towns.
How dare you! 20 years ago, I personally witnessed the advent of Lord Maxwell and the 4 great spirits. I saw her grow into the woman you see before you, without ever taking a bite of food or a wink of sleep. This miracle is proof that our legends were true.
Want to tell this geezer about the time Mila collapsed from hunger?
Just leave him alone. Come to think of it, the 6 ruling houses of Rashagal are all a part of that legend too. Their founders were supposed to be the 6 disciples of Maxwell and Kresnik, right?
Now that is the truly absurd origin story. Those fools have no clue about the true secrets of this world. I should never have said that. Please, forgive me.
What just happened?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
Nia Kara really is the sticks, huh?
How about... There we go. All 4 temporal stones.
I appreciate your efforts. Let's bring them to the shrine beyond the village.
That mountain beyond the village sure is something.
That's the Nia Kara Halamont. It's a special land where 4 spirit climbs... Onward! Attack!
Take this! Take this!
Burn! Burn! You have big hands. Interesting. No wonder you pack quite a punch.
So, all the arts that
Yeah, not since the power of the 4 disappeared.
And when did Mila take...
20 years ago.
Wait,
Yes. I reserved the 4 for my
Serious?
I have no reason to. Of course, even I... Onward! Attack!
Demon Fist!
How unfortunate.
Onward! Onward! Hit! Demon Fist! Hit! Is fighting the only answer?
Just keeps getting better. You really want to fight?
Finish them.
Damn. I'm out. Here we
Our
go.
strength. I can still do better.
Dude,
It's not working?
here we go. Stay on guard.
Flames come forward. Fireball. Provide cover.
And finished. Well, we've certainly
Indeed. The trick seems to be viewing the blade as an extension.
That's not one of...
Oh, is
Well, I still get frightened every time.
You should use that fear to fuel your punches.
I do.
If you've taken that lesson to heart, honestly... Here we go. The guard's down. Take this.
Simmer spin.
Time to go to work.
I'll help.
No break.
That's one.
Got it. Man, are we good or what?
Windblade.
No breaks?
Demon Fist!
The guard's down. No breaks?
Fight. Earth cry out. Rock grind.
Was this really the only way? Ready?
Got it. Demonic chaos!
This is good.
Don't get cocky now. Take this!
This is good.
Don't get cocky now.
Not yet.
Not bad. Not looking good.
Don't worry, I'm here
bad.
with you.
Not looking good. Stay on guard. You kidding me?
Run!
You owe me.
Over already?
You owe me. Who's next?
Well done.
Demon Fist! Tiger Blade!
Now's our chance.
Demon Fist!
No breaks?
Is fighting the only answer? Okay. All right.
Nice one.
Ready?
Got it. Demonic Chaos! Oh, we're done already?
Isn't that good?
I wasn't done.
That wasn't too bad.
So this is experience.
No breaks? No.
All right.
Nice one. Here we go.
Focus.
Hit.
Guardian Field! Take this! Shoot! Not bad. Here we go. Stay on guard.
Winland! The likes of you will not stop me.
No brakes?
Ready?
Got it. Demonic chaos! Damn. I'm out.
We need to conserve our strength.
No brakes?
Winland! Flame and force.
It's not working?
Dry fire.
I did it!
In here.
Is this your house?
My house? I've never really thought about it like that, but I suppose so.
Boy, you're really in the sticks. What do you do for fun out here?
My mission is not to entertain myself. I do spend time reading books written by humans, if you must know.
Sounds fun.
Let's perform the ceremony.
So, is this okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
Mila! Lady Mila!
Oh, is that you, Ivor?
Lady Mila, I was worried sick. This looks like the rite of the Four's Advent. Why would you perform such a ritual? Wait, what's going on here? Ifrit, where are you? Undine, come out! Lady Mila, what has happened? I cannot believe it.
So, why do you think you can't summon the spirits? Are they dead or something?
Idiot! A great spirit cannot die!
Was I supposed to know that?
Just like a lesser spirit, a great spirit becomes a fossil when it passes away. Yet its power transfers into the next great spirit.
At least, that's what they say. Nobody's ever seen it happen.
Oh, so I've heard.
That's blasphemy. Spirits are undying beings that dwell in the spirit world. It's beyond your understanding.
Well, maybe that device captured the four great spirits instead of killing them.
Impossible! Mere humans could never capture the Great Four.
But the four great spirits aren't answering their lord's summons. If you eliminate the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth.
If you leave an egg in a box, and somehow that egg should get crushed, the cause must lie within the egg itself. Good old Howe's egg principle. You really are an honor student.
A Spyrix advanced enough to capture even the Four. When that happened, I then lost my power as Maxwell.
Mila?
Now you will all leave. This is holy ground, and you'll desecrate it no more! I'm the only one ordained to serve Lady Mila.
Ivor, please leave as well. You can go home.
Huh?
Let me see. How should I put this? You're annoying.
Lady Mila wouldn't be in this predicament if it wasn't for you blasphemous fools! For the love of Maxwell, I knew I should have never left her side!
Well, Mila wasn't kidding about his short fuse.
Hey, are you even listening to me?
Yeah. I mean, huh?
Heed my words! Henceforth, only I shall serve the Lady Mila! Interfere at your peril!
You gonna stick around?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be back at the village.
I have to figure out what I can do. Oh, what's wrong? I thought you were gonna rest.
I would say the same to you. You didn't go back to the village?
No.
Well then, let's go set you up with the villagers. What's wrong? Worried you won't fit in?
No, that's not it. So, what are you gonna do now? Will you return to Fenmont to destroy the Lance of Kresnik?
Yes. When you consider that the Lance drained mana from the Four, along with the other people there, we can assume the mana serves as some kind of fuel. The Lance must gather mana before it can be used as a weapon. I doubt it will be ready immediately. I suspect their mana-gathering activities will continue.
Are you planning to go alone?
Stop beating around the bush. If you want to tell me something, just say it.
I want to know, how come you're so brave?
You've taken an interest in me, haven't you? Bravery. That's not really it. I have a task to perform, and I do whatever it takes to complete the task. It's that simple.
But you're only human now. Isn't this mission too big for just one person? I mean, you could die.
That changes nothing. The task must be completed.
You really are brave.
Any other questions? Then let's go back.
Hey,
Yes?
can I come too? With you?
Your whole life was turned upside down because you got involved with me. You don't regret it?
Well, sure, a little bit. But it's too late to cry about it now. It's not like I can turn back time. Now that I'm neck deep in this, I want to help you, if I can.
You really are a do-gooder, aren't you?
You think so?
I didn't stay behind in the shrine to rest. I was hoping to sneak off without dragging you into things again.
Really?
Yes. Consideration for others was something I learned on our little journey together. It's not as easy as I thought. Anyway, Let's head to the village. Now that you found me, I suppose I'm in no rush to leave anymore.
Okay.
Wasn't Alvin with you?